Is your YouTube video dying? It got tons of views when you first uploaded it, but now it's barely being recommended? Don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to revive your dead YouTube videos and get them back in the algorithm spotlight. Let's dive in. After the initial buzz, some videos stop getting traction. This can happen because the algorithm isn't promoting them anymore. But why? It all comes down to engagement metrics, click-through rates, watch time, and how viewers interact with your content. Step 1. Refresh your thumbnail and title. If viewers aren't clicking on your video anymore, chances are your thumbnail and title aren't as enticing as they once were. Your thumbnail is the first thing viewers see, so it needs to stand out. Try testing a new thumbnail that captures curiosity. Combine that with an updated title, something more specific or engaging. Next, focus on viewer retention. If people are clicking but leaving early, YouTube will stop promoting your video. Go to YouTube Analytics and check where viewers are dropping off. See that dip? This is where viewers are losing interest. If possible, edit that section out, or if it's too late, use timestamps or cards to direct viewers to the best parts of your video. Engagement is key. The more comments, likes, and shares your video gets, the more YouTube promotes it. So, how do we get more engagement? Encourage viewers to comment by asking open-ended questions. Try something like, "What do you think?" Leave your thoughts in the comments. You can also pin comments or respond to people to keep the conversation going. Don't forget to promote your video externally. Share it on social media, embed it in blog posts, or even send it out in an email newsletter. This can bring new viewers to your content and spark fresh engagement. If a video had some success, try making follow-up content. Whether it's a part 2, a related topic, or even just referencing your original video in new uploads, this keeps viewers engaged with your channel and might even bring them back to the dead video. So, if your video is flatlining, don't give up just yet. Update your thumbnail and title, analyze your retention, boost engagement, promote outside of YouTube, and even create follow-up content. These steps can help breathe new life into your old uploads. If this helped, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more YouTube tips, and let me know in the comments. What's your next video going to be about?